We understand how important it is to get your power back on, especially when there's bad weather and there are a lot of other concerns. That's why we work as quickly and safely as possible to get your lights back on. First, we assess the level of damage. Often, our smart grid technology can assess the problem and avoid the outage altogether. But if it can't, our team rolls out to inspect the situation. Next, if necessary, we start by fixing the main lines that go from the power plants to the substations. Then we focus on the lines that bring power to neighborhoods and businesses. So even if you don't see our trucks on the street, rest assured we're working on the issue. We prioritize essential needs first, like hospitals, emergency services, water treatment facilities, and then we connect homes and businesses. Restoring power is a complex process, especially after major storms, so we thank you for your patience. Please know that our power delivery team is doing everything they can to get you back up and running.